It's a bonus edition of the Book Club for Kids. Hi, I'm Kitty Fowley, and we are coming to you from the 2025 edition of the City of STEM, LA Maker Faire. We're here at the Book Club for Kids booth among the robots and the rocketeers, asking kids our very favorite question. What's your favorite book?
Hello, my name is Jalen. I'm in 8th grade and go to Lewis Middle School. My favorite book series is The Maze Runner. I like that series because it's really exciting and fast-paced, and that's kind of how I like reading books and stuff. It's really exciting, and I like the topics that it has in there, and the characters you get to love a lot, and it's just a really cool series.
Hello, my name is Abigail, and I go to AES, and I'm in 4th grade. And my favorite book is Sisters by
Raina Telgemeier, yes. Tell me why you love that book.
I like it because it shows how sisters act towards each other and the relationship between sisters.
Do you have a sister?
I have no siblings. I'm an only child.
Would you like to have a sister?
Kinda. Same age. Yeah, probably.
Yeah, you want to be a twin, right?
Yeah.
I have no sisters either. I have 6 brothers. So maybe I should read this book too.
My name is Noah, and I am 7 years old, 2nd grade. I have 3 favorite books. My Weird School, Ellray Jakes, and Magic Treehouse.
Why?
I don't know. They're funny.
Hello, my name is Bruce Roosevelt, 2nd grade. My favorite book is Dogman because there's a lot of graphics.
Well, a lot of books have graphics in it. Why is Dogman better than the others?
Because there's a bunch of funny stuff, like a blow up.
Like a what?
A blow up.
Tell me what that is.
Once where Dogman got inside a blow up and then he flew into the cop station.
And why is that funny?
Because he landed on the chief's new couch.
That's pretty silly. Have you read a lot of the Dogman?
Mostly all.
Why do you think kids like Dogman so much?
I don't know. What's popular?
Hello, my name is Naya. I'm in 7th grade. I go to St. Patrick's Catholic School. And my favorite book is Canyon's Edge because it takes place in the desert, and I love deserts. And it has a lot of excitement and a lot of action because she gets lost in the desert. And she has to find her dad before it's too late. So I think I really like that.
Do you like survival stories as a rule?
Kind of. It's more because she has to escape this monster in her mind. And so I really like that part.
It wasn't nightmarish, kind of scary at all?
Not really, but it was scary sometimes.
Would you like to get lost in the desert? I mean, do you think you'd be able to escape and take care of yourself?
Probably not.
Hello, my name is Miana. I go to Aroma Elementary, and I'm in 3rd grade. My favorite book is The Babysitter's Club. I like The Babysitter's Club because I think there was a movie or a show of it, and that's why I like it.
Well, there's lots of movies and TV shows about a lot of books. Why do you like this one?
I don't know.
Are you a babysitter?
No.
Would you like to be?
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Ramon, and I go to Rosemary Kennedy Elementary School, and my favorite book is Harry Potter. It's a movie, and I think the book is way better than the movie because it has more details.
Is that what happens mostly with books and movies, that the book is better?
Yes.
Why?
I really don't know, but it might be because it might cost too much money.
Hello, my name is Adrian. I'm in 6th grade, and I go to Arizona Middle School. My favorite book is one of the Fazbear Frights because I like the games and I like to learn more.
Are you a good gamer?
Yes.
What's your best score and what's your best game?
60,000 on a driving game.
I don't know if I want to drive with you, though. We'll have a list of everybody's favorite books at our website, bookclubforkids.org, on our Books We Love page. And if you have a favorite book, you can be on the Book Club for Kids podcast, too. We will be at the LA Times Festival of Books on Saturday and Sunday. That's the last weekend of April at USC. So drop by booth 569, that's Chesapeake Press, 569 in the kids area. I'll be there with my microphone to record you for a future podcast. And while you're there, you can pick up an autographed copy of my Fina Mendoza Mysteries series. The latest title, Snake in the Grass, is now on sale. That's at booth 569 at the LA Times Festival of Books. See you there.